Hi, I'm Ernie Medina with TRB, and today I'm joined with Brendan Arbelon, TRB instructor, and we're going to talk a little bit about why having a red dot would be a force multiplier to your everyday CCW holder and things like that. Now, with having a red dot, there's a couple advantages that you get. One is the ability to focus on or maintain focus on the target and maintain positive identification of what your target might or might not be doing. Okay. Another thing is that you take away putting two variables together and lining them up, two independent things, and you just focus on one thing, which is a lot easier and faster for the eye-brain coordination to handle. But another thing you'd like to add on that?
Yeah, of course. Another thing is that naturally, we've seen it in our low light classes, when they go into a room, and I'm sorry, with our CQB classes, when they go into a room, their eyes will naturally not focus on the front sight, will focus on the threat at hand. And having a red dot actually already sets you up to focus on the threat at hand. That's why I feel like it's bringing us back to our actually more natural shooting vision, right?
Right, and you don't have to work on focal shift. Just to demonstrate that, a little bit about that focal shift. Now, if I'm here and my threat is down over there, I'm focusing perhaps on that threat, whether he has a firearm in his hand, a knife, a cell phone, or whatever. Now, if I have that red dot, I can draw and maintain my focus on that threat, and as the dot appears, I never have to change my focal shift, and I can engage. It's quicker, and I can actually make a better decision. If I focus on the iron sights, I get tunnel vision into looking at that front sight. I shift from target over to iron sights, and now I'm not concentrated on whether my threat has a firearm, a cell phone, something in his hand that may deter me from breaking that shot. So for CCW and your own safety is concerned and legal liability, having that red dot is a really a big force multiplier and enhancer. Did you visit the Orange County Sheriff's Department website and feel overwhelmed at the daunting application process? Well, give us a call and reach out to us, and we'll work with you and for you in order to prepare your application so you have the best chance of getting approved for your CCW.